This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can record audio from your phone or the external microphone that is connected to your phone while shooting aerial videos from the drone. So first, if you want to record audio from an external microphone, make sure that it is connected to your smartphone. Next, launch Settings, select the camera category, scroll down and look for the app recording toggle. Now switch it on, go to Settings to grant the DJI Fly app with a microphone permission. Now we can get back to the DJI Fly app and hopefully see this option switched on. Yep, or not this one. Now we can switch it on, and while at it you can also change the noise reduction between natural or pure. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.